what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
Tangan dianyam, tekan kepala ke bawah. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you fade away.
Jalan Adi Kumala, kemudian belok kanan, lurus Veteran Selatan, finish di depan rumah jabatan Bapak Panglima.
Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told you I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end it doesn't even matter. It's hard to
Saya terima kasih atas kehadirannya dan alhamdulillah tertib, aman, lancar. Kalau saya ini hobinya olahraga, apa saja. Insyaallah besok-besok kita bisa ketemu lagi ya di komunitas lain.
Luar biasa, peserta lebih dari 100 orang lebih. Untuk kedepannya mudah-mudahan mungkin akan menjalin silaturahmi dengan baik. Kita dari OTC dan semua komunitas yang ada di Makassar mudah-mudahan akan terus mensupport Pak Pangdam untuk melakukan aktivitas olahraga di pagi hari. Terima kasih.